What's up, guys? Today I will be removing, I already removed the lower ball joint on my 2010 Toyota Prius. So basically, this is the old one. As you can see, this is the old one. As you can see, it has a lot of play. I mean, this is probably still good, but see that there's a lot of play on it. Whereas the new one, I can even move it. It's tough, hard. So basically, what I did, I zapped I don't know if you can see it right over here. It's kind of dark. I zapped 2 screws on the bottom, actually 3. So these are the screws right over here. 1, 2, 3. So I zapped it, and then I pushed this control arm down to loosen it up. As you can see, it'll still be stuck here. So what I did, grab a 19mm and a hammer, just push it out. So as soon as that is loose, so what I did, I hammered on the side of this. So I did it this way to get it loose. Of course, don't forget to spray with a lubricant inside on the top of these. So the castle nut, what the hell is that nut? Hold on 1 second. I want to show you. So the castle nut is this big from the inside. So you cannot fully remove it to take it out. So you're just gonna have to loosen it up, right? And pound it on this side. That's what I did, and it freed it up. Just make sure that you put lubricant on it. As you can see, there's grease coming out of it already. It has 130,000 miles, 132 to be exact, or 33. So I think it's about time. That's the original OEM part. As of course, I always get my part at Amazon. So I got one of these. It's fairly cheap. It's like 10 bucks each. Hopefully it'll last me couple years or so. I mean, it's not that hard to remove it. It looks about the same. They look the same, but the difference of this, it's a little bit, I don't know, it's the design. Hopefully it's the same. They look the same. So yeah, just pound it out. You loosen it up, and that's how you remove the castle nut. As soon as this is free, just go ahead and unscrew it out, and then put the new one in. Sorry, I cannot video and put this on at the same time, but it's pretty self-explanatory. 3 bolts or screws, whatever. Hammer it out on the side, it'll pop out. Don't forget to put a lubricant on it, and then use a 19mm for the castle nut. Of course, you got to take out this little lock pin over here. Just use a snip. Anyway, I'm gonna put it back, see how it goes. Alright guys, also don't forget to remove this nut, this sway bar end link, because to make it easier to move the ball joint around, when you try to put it on or remove the actual ball joint, make sure that you remove that. I mean, it's up to you. If you have a strong arm, then you don't have to, but I did. Make it a lot easier. So yep, just remove that, and that way you can wiggle it around. Alright, so I put it on already. So I push this control arm down, and then 3 bolts, 19, oh no, 17, was it 17? Yeah, 17mm. Zap, zap, zap with my air gun. You could probably use a hand tool, but I have air gun, make it easier. And then I used the factory pin. I didn't use the cotter pin that's included with it. I kind of like this design. Just push it in, tighten this, move this around to put it back in the hole, of course. And you figure it out once you're on that situation. So that's about it. It's fairly easy. It takes about 20 minutes to do it, maybe less, if you can get this thing loosened up. I didn't use the factory castle nut because I don't know, it doesn't fit correctly, as of course it's because it's aftermarket. I wasn't able to put the, I tried to use it, but I wasn't able to put the safety pin back in there. So that's it. Put everything back and then repeat the other side. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.